y'all gonna find Eddie up here with me because this is a drink for New Year's Eve to bring in the new year. And you know, I don't too much dig alcoholic drinks. So Eddie's gonna make it and help me taste it. It's a Startini, y'all, and it's a pretty drink. It's got pomegranate liqueur. It has got vodka, and we got some beautiful gold sugar that we're gonna line our glass with. And look at this. This is, they recommend sprinkling gold dust on the top of your drink. It's got to be edible though. And Teresa found this. She found this at Michael's. And I'll show you what it, see, it's just a dust. But it's edible.
And
so
that one's actually called rose gold.
Rose
it
gold.
Actually have gold. It's probably out of stock.
Yeah, probably so.
Where's Eddie? I thought he was helping you.
I don't know what Eddie.
Oh.
I knew he was.
I found just in time for the party.
Oh my gosh!
Ta-da.
Oh my gosh! This is gonna make my coffee taste so much better.
So what you drinking?
A coffee, but you're fixing to fix us up a cocktail. And Eddie has said so many times, Paula, these folks are gonna think I am a drunk. And do not think that about Eddie. How long have we been together? 7 years?
Yeah, almost 8. Yeah, coming up on
That's
8.
hard to believe. Hard to believe, y'all. I have never seen this man intoxicated, and we live with each other. I mean, he's in his apartment. Michael and I are in here. But, you know, if there was a drinking problem going on, I think I would have picked up on it.
So what are we? We're making a Startini. That sounds good.
Yeah. So
okay, so
you've got your shaker with some ice.
Well,
and
you gonna try it?
I'll put a little to my lips.
We got a toast.
This is Prosecco.
Yeah,
it calls for a little bit of that.
Rather than champagne, we'll use Prosecco,
which is great.
So how much was that?
Okay, so I'm going to double it. So we're making, well, it's 2 ounces of vodka.
That's a lot of vodka.
And you're making 2 drinks.
Making 2 drinks, yeah.
But this is actually 4 ounces.
Yeah, and then 2 ounces of the pomegranate liqueur. I don't think I've had that.
That's going to make it a pretty color, isn't it?
Yeah, it smells good. I can already smell it.
I want to smell. Smells good.
You want to shake?
No, I want you to shake. I want to watch you shake.
But stand back.
I shake enough on my own. Uh-oh.
All right.
I'm going to moisten your edge with a piece of lemon. There you go.
Add some gold sugar.
Yes. Do you need a bigger? Here, let me. You're struggling with that little thing. Why don't we put it on a paper plate with a bigger circle? There you go. That's just beautiful. Beautiful, y'all.
Yeah. We did this at Thanksgiving too, you know, with a different drink.
Yeah.
And Claudia and Brooke.
All the girls
loved it. Yes.
And I think Jody was drinking it.
Jody, Ashley, Debbie, yes. they all had the.
And I went in there at the bar and I poured me just a tad. I said, I'm gonna join the adults today. I'm gonna have this stuff because it was pretty. Ugh.
It was good. It was a side of sangria. It was good.
I guess. I don't know. But you know, my stomach still wasn't right.
Yeah.
So that's beautiful, Eddie.
Now, I wouldn't normally measure out. This is being very exact. Those. Okay, so
the Prosecco.
We're gonna top it off with a little Prosecco.
Okay.
Give it a little bubble.
Yeah, because otherwise it's
And
straight liquor.
You do like Prosecco.
I do like Prosecco if I got to. Oh, look.
Fun.
Oh, what a fun drink.
Alrighty.
All right, it's time. It's time to bring in the new year.
Happy New Year.
May all your dreams come true, Eddie.
You too.
Thank you.
It the best year.
Yes. That's not bad.
Good. Yes, the pomegranate really pops.
I think it's that gold sugar I like so much. That is really, really good.
Yeah, the sugar's good. But the pomegranate has a great flavor to it.
Well, we hope all of y'all have the most glorious year in 2024. May all your dreams come true. And we send you love and best dishes, along with a whole lot of wishes. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.